been quiet. Said we'd try it for a while, but that was years ago. If you see me, if I see you, a part of me hopes that we do. No, say everything we wanted to. After all this time, I cut the tree now that we grew. You know, the one we carved our names into. Still I can't go back to the places we knew, 'cause they ask me if I still think about you. Only all the time.
I still think about you.